G'day folks, my name's Scott and I'm here today to run you through Easyshed's range of tall workshop sheds. If you've got lots of space in your backyard and lots of clutter piling up around the place, this is a great option. With the popular gable roof, it keeps things stylish and classically Australian. Plus its engineered portal frame, made from rolled galvanised steel purlins and thick brackets, all bolted together, provides extra strength and durability. The centre peak means more headroom, plus space for all your tools and equipment, and there's heaps of options of shed dimensions to choose from. Widths range from 4.5 to 7.5 metres and depth from 2.25 and up to a roomy 3.75 metres. This one here is the 6x3. It's our taller height variety, so it has a peak of 2.4 metres rather than the standard 2.1. As well as heaps of storage, it makes a fantastic man cave or she shed too, so it'll keep you and the other half happy. Double hinged, brace doors on the length give you easy access to your gear, while this pad bolt and hasp block keeps everything secure. You can add an extra padlock if you like. This shed will last a lifetime and stand up to our harsh Aussie weather. As for colours, we offer a wide range of shades. This one is mist green. And forget about peeling paintwork. This pre-painted pure Aussie steel is as durable as it gets. Not only that, you can enjoy minimal maintenance, plus a lifetime warranty. As all our sheds are built in Albury, New South Wales, buying from us means you're dealing directly with the manufacturer and no one in between. Not only does this guarantee you the best price, but you're also supporting a 100% Aussie family-owned regional business at the same time. The shed comes ready to assemble and our easy 5-step process will have you up and running in no time, while the self-tapping screws ensure your building efforts are built to last. As you can see, our sheds don't come with floors, so you'll want to consider a rebated concrete slab. For that, you'll also require concrete fixings. So get in touch with our team to find out the exact number we recommend for your choice of shed. We also offer a wide range of add-on accessories such as windows, ramps and hooks. And that's a wrap from me. Happy shed shopping.